Hi, Third Actor. This is your friendly Third Act Google Docs coach. Here today to show you how to comment on a Google Doc. So I'm in Drive, and one of the documents in this Drive is how to create a Google Doc. It's a silly doc. I'm going to double click on it. It's just one that I've been using to demonstrate in some of these videos. But I want to show you today how to comment on something that you see in a Google Doc. Maybe somebody shared a doc with you and asked for you to add comments to what they've written. So for example, this right here says lots of ways to accomplish tasks. And do you see when I highlighted that? This bar with options comes up at the right, and I can add a comment. Now before I do that, you need to know that I could go up here and click to add a comment too. Just like what we've highlighted, there's lots of ways to accomplish tasks. I'm going to click over here on add a comment. Okay? And I'm going to comment. There are, and lots of times, it's confusing for newbies. Now, the important thing to remember is always to click on comment, because if you don't, it won't be saved. And then this is going to be what happens when you click on comment. Okay? So the comment's there. Now, it's possible somebody will say to you, but I don't see the comment. Then you want to ask them to click on the icon up here where I am that says Open Comment History. Okay? And people can get to the comments that way. I'm going to close that out. I want to show you something. I can reply to that comment. This is a powerful way to collaborate. And I'm going to click on reply again. Oh, but I really meant to put a period at the end of this because I want to appear like I'm trying to be professional. So I'm going to come over here to more options, and I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to edit my comment, and then click on save. There can be a number of replies to the same comment, and there can be a number of comments on a doc. And once everybody's replied and everybody's agreed on something, I can come over and I can mark it as resolved and hide the discussion. You don't want to mark it as resolved until you know that everybody's agreed about what should happen with the comments that you were making. So I'm going to mark it resolved so you see what happens. And the doc's back to where it was. Now, let's say, I didn't mean to click on mark it as resolved. I can open comment history, and I can see what the comments are there. And I can choose to reopen it. And they're back. So don't worry, just like always, there's a way to get stuff back in Google Docs. Remember from before about the undo button, and then remember when you're doing commenting to open the comment history, to look at what options you have, and to follow those options. Hope this helps, and comment and collaborate away in Third Act.